Sorry about the background noise from my fan, but it's summertime right now and it's July and it's pretty hot out. For me, around my area, in Pennsylvania, this is like the hottest time of the year. But today I'm just going over a real quick video for you guys, for you YouTube, on how to how to check to make sure that your soldering station is ESD grounded, especially being that this is made in China. Alright, this is a Vivo Home. This has been rebranded, I think, from a Yeehaw. I don't know which one it is, but a lot of them say the same model number, 898D. So it's 898D. And I'm going to show you how to make sure this is grounded, alright? So, I have my Klein Tools multimeter. This is a true RMS multimeter. And I'm just going to do this audio bully instead of actually showing you the resistance. I could do that, but it just has to be conductive. And also, just to show you real quick, yeah, this soldering iron right here, if you look really closely on here, come on, focus. Let's get the camera to focus for a second. Okay, yeah, there we go. Now look, you see that right there? As you can see, it says right here on there, and I didn't notice this before until I really looked closely at it. I thought it was in Japanese lettering. I was like, I don't know what that means, but actually no. What it says there is, it says, oh come on, god damn it. Sorry about that. It actually says on there, though, that it is ESD safe. If I can focus again. Okay, yeah, look, see right there. You see it says right on there, ESD safe. So yeah, this is the plastic part of the soldering iron, but this is completely ESD safe. So I'm assuming so is this thing, this little holder that it came with. And it comes with a sponge. I don't know what I did with the sponge. I think I lost the sponge, but you can buy different soldering tips for it. The standard Weller tips work, or the Chinese ones are alright. I buy the Chinese ones because they're about the same as a Weller, and these will also work with a Weller. Or you can buy the better Weller ones that are a little bit more expensive, and they'll fit right onto there. And yeah, it's just a nice feature, you know. But so I'm gonna put that back in there, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unplug this. And now what you want to do is, so now for this, it has an aviation plug, and I already tested this, and if I'm correct, what they're saying on other videos, I've only found one video on how to check to see if this is grounded. Alright, and I'm not sure if that's right or not, but I'm assuming it is. But it's very important for safety reasons, so you don't get shocked or possibly to have a fire hazard, and also for ESD reasons too. So if you're working for small components and circuit boards. But if you look on an aviation plug, it should say right on there that, I know you can't see, but if you look on there, it should say on, from what I found was that if you test pin 3 on the aviation plug, usually that'll be it. It plugs into there just like that, you know, and it just plugs in here just like that, and you plug it right in and screw it down. It's real nice, tight, good connection. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little allocator clip lead. This isn't really the best one. This is the one that, not Fluke, but Klein Tools sent with it, with their meter. And I'm just going to clip it onto the, I'm going to try to set this up right so you guys can see it. I'm just going to try to clip this onto the ground prong on the cable. So it has like some little insulation there, so it's not going to short anything out. But so now I got it on there like that. Alright. Now I just want to take my other one. Now I want to take that. Now I want to take my, whoa, sorry. Now I want to take my soldering iron. I want to touch it to there, and you should hear a beep if it's working properly. Hold on a minute. See, these test leads aren't very good. But I didn't buy the meter for the test leads. I bought it for there we go. That should probably make a better connection. I bought it for just because it was cheap. But I've also heard really good reviews on the meters. Okay, why isn't this making connection? What the hell? Also, I forgot to mention this has a heat gun on it with a rework because it's a rework station. Okay, and I've never had. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this thing. What the hell? I'm so sorry about this, guys. I don't mean to waste your time, but for some reason, this thing isn't like making conductance or whatever. It's like, I don't know what's wrong. I never had this problem. I'm just using this so I can use two hands and try to like make it easier on myself. However, this doesn't really seem to be working that well, and I don't understand what's going on. See, that's why I don't rely on these stupid little things, because these kind are horrible. Fluke has like a almost like a syringe kind of style, like where you squeeze it like a syringe. You like squeeze it like a syringe, and but it has like an alligator clips, but they're very well made and they work very well. I don't know why this isn't working. However, this is the first time I ran into this problem with this. But I don't know. Maybe my banana plug is loose. What the fuck? My meter? Oh, wait, I know what probably happened. Maybe my meter froze up. Nope. Uh-oh. This is the first time I've actually had problems with this meter. This is supposed to be a really good meter. I don't know what happened. Okay, there we go. So now it's working. I don't know what the hell happened. See, some problems it just takes a little while to diagnose, and like, some problems I guess just be harder than others, or can be harder than others. Alright, so I took this out of my sleeve to make sure that I can see that it's actually making conductance. Alright, so, okay, so now as you see, it's touching that. Just do like a little test to make sure it's making conductance. I don't know what the hell just happened there, but I've never seen any meter that I've used in my life, and I've used cheap ones like Harbor Freight meters. They aren't even UL listed or certified as true RMS. I've never had anything like that happen in my life. So as I was saying, so now you just want to take the soldering iron and test it like this. And now this isn't the only thing you want to test, but you hear that beep? As long as it's making that beep, you should be fine. Now, let's test the heat gun. Alright, so now, this is nice because it has a holder. I can just do this. Alright, and you hear the same thing. And, it's making conductancy, so that's all that really matters. Same with this over here. Soldering iron. But like I said, that's all that really matters, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more, guys. Uh, for those of you that have already subscribed, I'm sorry that I haven't been coming up with content lately. My computer's currently down, and I had to do some repairs to it, and I had to upgrade the hard drive in it, and do a bunch of other things, and I had to upgrade the software and everything on it, so it's going to be a while before I upload again, so yeah. But thanks for watching, guys. Charles Lane 27 out, and I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, YouTube.